Hey, I'm Aaron, and today things are about to go critical. We'll be taking a look at a reactor nuclear packing puzzle. Okay, so here we have nuclear reactor packing puzzle. No, it's reactor nuclear packing puzzle. The puzzle's a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. This puzzle is made by Jared Peterson, and it's all 3D printed. It comes with 2 sets of packing pieces, so you actually have 2 puzzles with this. Comes with this lid, nice bright yellow lid with the nuclear symbol, or radiation symbol, or whatever. And then it comes with this tray. Now, this is the cool part, is all these pieces have different length nubs. I'll grab this one. So you can see that becomes an issue, as they won't all go everywhere anyway. And then on top of it, these green parts and the red parts both have magnets. Now, when you put these into a spot, they might click in and like stay really well, or they might actually repulse. Now the whole goal of this puzzle is to put all of these pieces flush into the top, so none of them are sticking out. This is quite a good puzzle. I really did enjoy doing this one. Highly recommended, and the 3D printing is high quality. Everything feels relatively smooth and clean, and nothing feels fragile at all. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.